Hey guys, this is Steven Hartzell with Blue Mountain Pizza. As you can see, it's a busy Thanksgiving behind us. This is our 19th annual Thanksgiving dinner, and this year I think it means a lot more because after everybody coming through Helene, I know it was really hard on everybody, but it's been really heartwarming to see our community come together, and we're happy that we could put on this Thanksgiving meal this year bigger than ever thanks to the generous donations of our community. And as you can see, it's been a busy day, and we're just happy that everybody can make it out.